Now this is the 49th question from H.C. Verma exercise of topic kinematics. So let's solve this. An aeroplane has to go from point A to point B, which is 500 km away and 30 degree east of north. So let us say this is point A and the point B is 500 kilometer away, making an angle with north 30 degree. So I have taken this as a reference. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. Okay, and it is said that the wind is blowing due north. So if the aeroplane is here, then the wind velocity vector is acting here at 20 meter per second. The airspeed of the plane is 150, and it is said find the direction in which the pilot should head the plane to reach B. So now in this case, if the resultant speed is along the path AB, then and only then the pilot will reach point B. And in order to have the resultant velocity along line AB, the pilot should head its plane like this with speed 150 meter per second and below line AB, making an angle 30 degree east of line AB, theta degree, sorry, 30 is this. Now whenever it is said that the path is fixed, so in order to solve such question, resolve given velocities along given path and perpendicular to given path. Okay, so let's resolve velocity along AB and perpendicular to AB. Okay, so first of all I will resolve this 150. So the component of 150 in this direction is 150 cos theta, and the component of 150 perpendicular direction is 150 sin theta 150. Similarly, I will resolve this 20 also into two parts. So one along AB, which is 20 cos 30, and here perpendicular to AB 20 sin 30. So in order to have net speed along AB, 150 sin theta and 20 sin theta, they should cancel each other. If these two vectors they are equal and opposite, they will cancel each other and the net speed will be in this direction. So sin theta comes out to be 20 sin 30, so sin 30 is 1 by 2, it becomes 10 upon 150, so it is 1 upon 15. So theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 upon 15, making an angle with AB. Okay, now this is the value of theta. In for future reference I'll calculate cos theta also, because it is useful to us. So cos theta is under root 1 minus sine square theta. So it will be 225, 15 ka square. So it comes out to be under root of 224 upon 225, which may be useful. So we have got this one. The direction the plane should head is this. Find the time taken by the plane to go from A to B. So in order to go from A to B, time taken will be equal to distance AB upon the speed along AB. So distance AB is 500 kilometer, which I will convert it into meter, divided by the speed along AB is 150 cos theta plus 20 cos 30. So it will be 500 into 10 to the power 3 upon 150. We have already calculated cos theta as 224 upon 225 in root plus 20 cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this thing. So 500 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 150, and if you see 224 and 225 are approximately they are equal. Okay, but still we will see ki what is the division. So 224 divided by 225, so you will see it comes out to be 0.99 plus 10 into the value of root 3 is 1.732, so I'll write 1.73. So it is 500 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 1 under root of 0.99. This is approximately 1, so I will make it 150 only. This is 173. Now if you divide this, so you will get the answer. Okay, so it will be 500 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 323. So how much is the division is? So this division comes out to be 1.54 into 10 to the power 3 in seconds, and we can convert it into minutes and hours also. So this is our final result. Okay, thank you.